What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your GMC Yukon started if your smart key dies. This is a 2015 here, but it will be the same on several different years. And this is only going to apply to Yukons that have push-button start ignitions. So I've taken the battery out of this smart key to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start it as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no remote detected. So what we need to do is place our remote in the transmitter pocket, and that's going to be located in the center console. It's going to be that little pocket right there. So we'll set our smart key in there, and then we should be able to come over here and just start this as we normally would. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.